love?
Diono!
Woo! When Sunny was just 3 months old, we told you all about the Radian 3QXT car seat. She's changed a lot since then, so have Diono's car seats. Today we're giving you the lowdown on the most advanced Radian ever, the 3QXT. On top of the features parents already love about the Radian series, like the 3-across fit, the fully integrated steel frame, and the ability to keep your child rear-facing longer than other car seats, the Q series has some serious safety upgrades. First up, the anti-rebound bar. It clicks right into the base and reduces rebound rotation by 50% in the event of a collision. It also gives your little one some serious extra legroom when rear-facing. For newborns, the 3QXT includes a newborn travel high wedge, a newborn protection insert, a set of newborn harness pads, as well as the larger anti-slip XL harness pads as they grow, and infant positioning liner for full head and body support. And thanks to SafePlus engineering, the QXT comes with a side impact management pod that attaches to the side of the seat for enhanced side impact protection. This car seat will last your little one from birth to booster. Safe travels!